Give structures of all possible 1,2 elimination products from 1-chloro-1-methyl cyclohexane. So let's write this compound. This is cyclohexane. At first carbon, any carbon you can consider as first carbon. I am considering this 1-chloro-1-methyl. All the elimination products should be written. So elimination reaction is normally beta elimination that we see. As this is a haloalkane, halogen and hydrogen is eliminated. So that is dehydrohalogenation reaction. Halogen is attached to this carbon. So this carbon is called as alpha carbon. All the carbons which are adjacent, this carbon is adjacent, so this is beta. This carbon is also beta. This carbon is also beta. So if halogen is abstracted from alpha carbon, hydrogen will be abstracted from beta carbon. First let me remove this hydrogen. If I remove this hydrogen, this double bond, this bond will come here between these two carbons. So therefore, here we lost Cl, but we still have CH3. From here we lost hydrogen, so we got a double bond like this. This compound is similar to having lost a hydrogen from this beta carbon, wherein we will get this compound. Both these compounds are identical, same compounds. This is because this position and this position are equivalent here. There is one more beta carbon and that is this. If we lose a hydrogen from here, this becomes CH2, and between this carbon and this carbon, now we will be having a double bond, that is this compound. So how many structures are possible? Only two structures are possible, either one of this and this compound.